Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Administrator role AZ-104. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Administrator role is: explain the concept of Azure blueprints and how they facilitate automated deployment of standardized environments and governance controls. Your answer should be: Azure Blueprints is a service provided by Microsoft that helps organizations define and deploy a repeatable set of Azure resources, policies, and role assignments as a blueprint for standardized environments. Azure Blueprints enable automated deployment of governance controls, compliance standards, and best practices, ensuring that new Azure environments meet organizational standards and regulatory requirements from the outset. Blueprints help streamline the provisioning process, enforce governance controls, and accelerate the deployment of secure and compliant Azure environments. Our next interview question is: what are Azure API Management and Azure API Management Gateway, and how do they enable API Lifecycle Management and secure API access? Your answer should be: Azure API Management is a service provided by Microsoft that helps organizations manage and secure APIs by providing features such as API Lifecycle Management, versioning, security, analytics, and developer portal capabilities. Azure API Management Gateway is the runtime component of Azure API Management that handles API traffic, routing requests to backend services, enforcing security policies, and providing rate limiting and throttling capabilities. Together, API Management and API Management Gateway enable organizations to expose, manage, and secure APIs, facilitating API consumption and integration across applications and services. Our next interview question is: how do you implement data encryption at rest and in transit for Azure storage using Azure Key Vault and Azure Storage Service Encryption SSE? Your answer should be: Azure Key Vault is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft for securely storing and managing cryptographic keys, secrets, and certificates used by cloud applications and services. Azure Storage Service Encryption SSE is a feature of Azure Storage that automatically encrypts data at rest using AES 256-bit encryption for Azure Blob Storage and Azure Files. By integrating Azure Key Vault with SSE, organizations can manage encryption keys centrally, enforce data encryption policies, and protect sensitive data stored in Azure storage against unauthorized access and disclosure. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure Load Balancer and its role in distributing incoming network traffic across multiple backend resources for high availability and scalability. Your answer should be: Azure Load Balancer is a Layer 4 TCP/UDP load balancing service provided by Microsoft that distributes incoming network traffic across multiple backend resources such as virtual machine scale sets, and Azure Kubernetes Service clusters within the same Azure region or availability zone. Load balancer improves application availability, scalability, and fault tolerance by evenly distributing traffic, detecting unhealthy backend resources, and rerouting traffic to healthy resources, ensuring reliable and responsive application delivery. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.